Hey, I'm out here in the woods, Louisiana. I'm gonna follow my dog up over here. Hey guys, come on. That's Baby, by the way, the black dog. She's a German Shepherd. Excuse me guys, you guys go see some trees twirled around. Come on boy, quit doing that to me. He walks on the wrong side of me quite a bit. I'm gonna go up here into this area over here. It is beautiful, by the way. It's a few days before Halloween. I'm gonna do a few songs out here, and I love playing in these woods. It's beautiful. It's got a lot of good feelings. It's kind of ancient feeling in a sense. This is my dog Buddy over here, right there. He's the dog trying to be a goofball and just be goofy. Hey buddy, look at the camera. Hey boy, hey, hey, hey buddy, buddy. I'll show you baby. Baby, what's up girl? She'll look at the camera, she's smart. He's smart too, but he's goofball when he's walking and stuff. We're gonna go up into here. I don't know what's up in here. On Halloween, I'm gonna try to take this thing into a graveyard and do Jack's Lament. Jack's Lament. Yep. Where we're going? The dogs are leading me. I don't know. Well, actually, to tell you the truth, I do know where I'm at. Look around here. All I have to do is go south here to get back on the trail. Sun going west. Yeah, good stuff. Show you the top of these trees. Yeah, pretty gnarly out here. Hey girl. Goodbye everyone. Hope you enjoyed the nature pic.